We explained in the previous videos that we need the horizontal base as well as the vertical height to calculate the area of a rectangle. But sometimes the area is given to us and one of the sides is missing, and there is where we can apply inverse operations to find the missing side. But in this question, the area is given to us in hectares, while the length of one of the sides is given to us in meters. So a conversion here of measurement units is a must. And they provided us with a piece of information in here that 1 hectare is actually equal to 10,000 meters squared. So the 6 hectares can be placed underneath the hectare and you put equal and a question mark, meaning we don't know how much of 6 hectares is equal to in meters squared. And then you apply cross multiplication. When we cross multiply, you put the unknown equals to and fraction line. The unknown here, which is the question mark, is multiplied by 1. So 1 is my denominator. The other two numbers, they go up multiplied by each other. So it's 6 times 10,000. And the answer will be 60,000 meters. Or you can think of it, we're converting from hectare to meter squared. From a greater measurement unit to a smaller measurement unit, we multiply. So this is the rectangle and the 400 meter long. So this is the base or the length of the rectangle, which is 400 meter. The area is 6 hectares. So that is the area, as I just explained, is equal to I don't know how much of meter squared. And the fact that's given to us in the question, 1 hectare is equal to 10,000. Cross multiply. So question mark is equal to and fraction line. The question mark is multiplied by 1. So the 1 goes down. The other two numbers, which are 6 and 10,000, they go up, multiplied by each other. So the final answer is 60,000 meter squared. Now we are ready to find the other side. So you're going to say area of the rectangle is equal to base times height. So we write the rule and then we substitute in the rule. So we replace the area of the rectangle with 60,000 meters squared and the base with the number 400 meter. So, and we give the height an initial of h. Now, after we wrote the rule, we substituted in the rule, it is in its simplest form. There is no need for simplification here. So we can immediately apply opposite operation and make h the subject. So 400 times h, the inverse operation to times is divide. Divide by 400 because we're getting rid of the 400 from the right side of the equation. We're isolating h. So 60,000 divided by 100, the answer will be 150 meter is the length of the height. Now, the concept of the parameter is adding all sides. Every two opposite sides in a rectangle are equal. So if this is 400, then this is 400. If this is 150, then this is 150. And the concept of the parameter is adding all sides to close the shape. So you start at one point, for example, and you start going around the shape. So if you go up, this is 150. And then you go right plus 400 and then you go down plus 150, and then you go left and back to the exact same point that you started with, so plus 400. And this is the parameter. So once again, so we found this as 150. Parameter is adding all sides, so P as an abbreviation to parameter is equal to 150 plus 400, as you can see, plus 400 plus 150 once again, plus 400 until I got back to the point that I started with. Now, this can be written as well as parameter is equal to 2 times 150 plus 2 times 400. If you insert this in the calculator, the final answer will be 1100, and it's in meter, not in meter squared as it is for the area, because the parameter is the length of adding all sides to close the shape. Thank you so much for watching. Please watch this video again if you struggle with any of the concepts that we explained in this video. Try to solve the problem once again on your own from A to Z. And if you struggle with any of the steps, you must watch the video again until you master it. And always remember that practice makes it perfect. Thank you for watching, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube.